Hello guys, today I'm going to introduce Express.js framework. The Express framework is the most common framework used for developing Node.js application. It can handle views, routes, body parsing, and a lot of basic things we need to create Node.js application. For generating Express-based project, we can use CLI Express. Use it to create an application skeleton. The generated folder's structure is good enough. Running service code is in the bin folder. App.js is our main file to configure our application. Public and views are using for view, and rows are defined in the rows folder. In this example, we are going to create API service. So I will remove public and view folders. To define new route, first I want to remove defined routes, index.js and user.js, and I will remove them from app.js too. users.route.js is my new file. I'm going to create one endpoint to get all users. To respect to the layers structure, I'm creating config folder and service folder for now. Now I'm going to define my users statically instead of using database for this lesson. If you want to know more about layers in the programming, you can use Google. It's very important if you want to be a good developer. I create service folder for our service layer, defining function without any parameters to get users list. I have to include users to this file and then use it to fetch users. You have many ways to test your endpoint, but I prefer Postman application because it's free and it's very good. I enter my endpoint to see my result. Thank you guys. In the next lesson I will continue this project and I will implement logging system.